I'm going to show you how a client of ours made $20,000 trading our lucky trader and then promptly withdrew the money from his account. Besides that, I'm going to show you the settings that he used and how you can copy that strategy. Okay, so this all started from a comment that was made recently. You can see 7 hours ago in our forum, and there was a question: do you still trade the euro pound with the lucky trader? Alex gave some settings before with a high return. Anybody had success with this? That was a question asked by one of the forum members. Then there was a reply given that said, yes, it is working for me, and an FX Blue link was supplied. So I clicked on that link to see what has happened. And here are the results. Here you can see $20,000 being made by this trader trading the lucky trader. And it works out to a 5% return every week, a 25% return on a monthly basis, and overall he has made almost a 90% return on his money over an 80-day period, trading, as the comment says, the euro pound. Now, why the euro pound? The euro pound is one of the lowest volatility crosses, and the lucky trader, as it was at that time, was best suited for sideways currencies. Now, as you can see, this is also a real account, and what subsequently happened is that the trader withdrew the 20,000, and I'll show you how that happened. But before I go on, I must just say that both Google and YouTube regard these videos of mine as harmful, misleading, and dangerous to viewers, and I don't understand why, because I am using live account information. I'm not making these things up. And at the same time, I must warn you, Forex trading is very dangerous. You can lose all your money. I have to say that because Google says that and YouTube says I must tell you that. Otherwise, I'll be seen to being providing information that is totally misleading and very dangerous to you, the viewer. And quite honestly, at the age of 70, I'm getting tired of this. I'm making enough money for my personal trading to have to not rely on sharing successful information and sharing successful robots with the public. If YouTube thinks it's that bad, I will stop sharing this information. I'm just so tired of their nonsense. Anyway, let's get on with it. Let's go on and have a look more at this particular account. Okay, here's a further analysis, and this is what they don't like. When I say there has never been a loss on an every day, which is clear, very clear in the evidence that I'm showing you here, that is true information. It is not misleading. It is actual fact. And I'm cross because I got a strike for showing this very information to traders. They say, oh no, you're misleading them. It's not misleading. This is actual results. So here we are, no negative days in that whole period that the trader traded, and no negative weeks in the period that traded, and obviously then no negative months. Now I must show you this. You see, it actually shows you the balance on the account. So there was 69,000 and the client withdrew 20,000. That's how you see that the client had withdrawn 20,000. Here at the bottom here, 69,000, and the client and the balance went down to 49,000 because the client withdrew the money. So this client has traded the lucky trader in a very responsible way and made a lot of money. And those are real dollars that he withdrew. Okay, so here we are. Here we've got the lucky trader, and it guarantees 100% success at increasing your account balance if you follow the guidelines that have been provided. If you don't follow those guidelines, you won't experience success. Only if you are highly competent and you can understand the guidelines and improve on them. Okay, so there's the lucky trader. There's a video that you can go and watch that actually tells you how the lucky trader trades, how you can get started, how you can problem solve if you run into problems, error messages on the EA, and here are the initial settings that have been provided. And here you can see there's the euro pound settings provided, and here are some more euro pound settings provided. So everything is handed over to you. I am sharing my success with you. But it looks like it is more worthwhile for me to focus on my own trading and not get aggravated by people like Google and YouTube and cynical clients that don't believe this. It is better for me to just, at the age of 70, to just slide into the shadows, and everybody else will lose the benefit of this information. And we show you a bit about why certain currencies have been selected, and the euro pound, as you can see down there, is the least volatile currency that there is, and so on. So if you want to participate in the Lucky Trader, it even has a monthly trial period. So there we are. You can do an initial trial period with the Lucky Trader, a 30-day trial period, or you can purchase it outright over here. YouTube subscribers amazingly get a 50% discount, and you can also purchase it as part of a bundle, and you then get 83% off. So hopefully you'll be motivated by the fact that a client has achieved this great success, and if you think it's too good to be true, then regard it as too big. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So from me, Alex the Ploy, cheerio. Just a quick disclaimer, this video has been made as an educational, entertaining and informative video for its viewers. It is not personal advice, and what works for some traders might not work for you. Please consult your financial advisor before trading. Trading is very risky and you can lose all your capital. It is not a get-rich scheme. Past results do not guarantee future results. There is no guarantee of easy success or good results in Forex trading. You cannot achieve the same results in the future by simply copying strategies and settings used by other traders in the past.